Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Seamless Paper is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any photographer or content creator looking to achieve professional, clean backgrounds without distractions, transforming ordinary shots into polished masterpieces that truly make your subjects pop, whether you're shooting portraits, product photography, or even stop-motion animation, providing an uninterrupted canvas for your creative vision. Number 5. Savage Seamless Paper Backdrop Number 76 Mocha. Achieve flawless, professional backgrounds for all your visual content. It's perfect for photography, social media, streaming, and even retail displays. Whether you're shooting fashion, portraits, YouTube videos, or product photography, this backdrop adapts to your needs. It's also great for interviews, cake smashes, and pet photos. Measuring 86 inches wide by 36 feet long, it offers double the length of many competitors. This convenient midsize fits easily into most cars, making it perfect for on-location shoots and full-body portraits in compact areas. This cost-effective solution is incredibly easy to use. Simply unroll it to the desired length and you're ready to create stunning visuals. Experience professional-grade quality with its non-reflective, dyed paper. It ensures your subjects stand out without unwanted glare. It's 100% recyclable and crafted from an average of 75% recycled materials. Plus, you can feel good knowing it's proudly made in the USA. What we like? This backdrop offers a generous 86 by 36 feet, providing ample space for various shoots. Its double length means fewer replacements, saving you time and money. If you need a versatile, long-lasting backdrop for full-body portraits or YouTube videos, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Yoocheese Photo Backdrop with Tabletop T-Shape Stand. This multicolored photo backdrop set is designed specifically for small product and food photography. It provides everything you need to capture stunning images. It includes 6 double-sided, laminated photography paper backdrops, offering 12 vibrant colors. Plus, a convenient tabletop T-shaped stand is provided for clean, professional product photos. Each backdrop measures 22 by 34 inches, giving your small products ample space for tabletop, flat lay, or front view shots. It's ideal for jewelry, cosmetics, snacks, and various crafts. More flexible than plain backgrounds, these textured backdrops help online sellers and content creators produce high-quality images. They are perfect for e-commerce, social media, and short product videos. Setting it up is simple with the included tabletop T-shaped stand. You can use it upright for front view photos or lay it flat for overhead flat lay photography and food styling. The laminated paper backdrops are designed to be easily wiped clean after use. This makes them practical for product listings, catalogs, and home photo studio setups. What we like? This set is specifically designed for small product and food photography, offering a perfect compact solution. With 12 vibrant colors and an included tabletop T-shaped stand, it makes setting up diverse shots incredibly easy. If you're an online seller or content creator focusing on small items, this comprehensive kit is ideal for professional-looking results. What people say. Number 3. Savage Seamless Paper Backdrop Pecan 86 by 36. Introducing the Savage Seamless Paper Backdrop in Pecan. This high-quality photography backdrop is perfect for a variety of uses, from YouTube videos to professional portraits. It's proudly made in the USA. Create smooth, professional backgrounds effortlessly. It's ideal for fashion, portraits, product photography, and even fun cake smash sessions. This paper elevates any visual project. Measuring 86 inches wide by 36 feet long, it offers double the length of some competitors. This convenient midsize fits easily into your car for on-location shoots. It's perfect for full-body portraits, even in tight spaces. This backdrop is both cost-effective and incredibly easy to use. Simply unroll the desired amount and you're ready to shoot. It simplifies your setup process. Experience professional quality with its non-reflective, dyed paper. It's available in an array of vibrant colors and various sizes to suit all your creative needs. This ensures your subjects always look their best. It's also an environmentally conscious choice, being 100% recyclable. Made from an average of 75% recycled materials, it supports sustainable practices. This product is a responsible option for your studio. What we like? This option provides professional-grade, non-reflective paper, ensuring a flawless background every time. Proudly made in the USA, it guarantees consistent quality and ethical production. If you prioritize top-tier quality and supporting domestic manufacturing for your photography, this is a superb choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no positive points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 2. Savage Seamless Paper Backdrop Number 51 Bone. Introducing the Savage Seamless Paper Backdrop, your ideal solution for professional photography. This high-quality paper provides a smooth, consistent background for all your creative needs. Available in a versatile number 51 bone color, it measures 86 inches wide and 36 feet long. This generous size ensures ample coverage for various setups. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, live streaming, or conducting interviews, it delivers a flawless backdrop. It helps you achieve a polished look every time. It's also perfect for portraits and general photography, providing a clean canvas. This paper is designed to elevate the quality of your visual content. Beyond traditional photography, it's excellent for social media backdrops, retail displays, and various crafts. Its smooth surface ensures a professional finish for any project. It's a favorite for fashion, portrait, and product photography, as well as unique events like cake smashes and pet photos. This backdrop supports a wide range of creative expressions. Crafted with quality and precision, this seamless paper is proudly made in the USA. You can trust its durability and consistent performance for all your projects. What we like. This backdrop offers an incredibly smooth and professional finish, perfect for any shoot. It's exceptionally easy to unroll and use, making setup a breeze even for beginners. If you're looking for a hassle-free, high-quality background that's simple to manage, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Number 1. Savage Seamless Paper Backdrop Smoke Gray 107 by 36. Creates stunning, smooth backgrounds effortlessly. It's perfect for photography, social media, streaming, and even retail displays, making your visuals pop. From fashion shoots to YouTube videos, and even adorable pet portraits, this backdrop handles it all. It ensures a consistent, professional look for any project. Measuring 107 inches wide and 36 feet long, it offers ample space for full-body shots. This size is ideal for capturing couples, families, or wide-format videos with ease. Forget complicated setups. This cost-effective solution is incredibly easy to use. Simply unroll the length you need and start creating. Experience professional-grade quality with its non-reflective, dyed paper. It comes in a variety of vibrant colors and sizes to suit all your creative needs. Not only is it high quality, but it's also 100% recyclable and made from an average of 75% recycled materials. Plus, you can feel good knowing it's proudly made in the USA. What we like. This particular backdrop stands out with its extra-wide 107-inch dimension, offering expansive coverage. It's perfectly suited for capturing full-body portraits of couples, families, or wide landscape format videos. If your projects often involve larger subjects or require a broader canvas, this wider option will give you the space you need. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.